Hi everyone, Prasoon Mishra this side from Federation of Industrial Education. Today, I'm going to explain you the process of online business case scenario solution submission and how your solution will look like once you submit it. Okay, so for clarity of understanding, we can divide this process into three parts: getting the business case challenge, brainstorming it and finding out best possible solutions, and then submitting it online. So, here is an example of a typical business case scenario of National Management Olympiad. You will find out that on this page, you will have sufficient data, details, and know-how of complete business given in the business case challenge. You will also find that there are clear-cut written assignments just down below the case. It is team's prerogative to find out which assignment is to be assigned to a specific team. For example, in the given assignments, you will find assignment for challenges for marketing, challenges for HR, challenges for finance, challenges for leadership, and challenges for IT and business analytics. But since it is your prerogative that how your team wants to approach it and which person will do what. Once your team understand the complete business case individually, then you can always have option to come together, brainstorm, and find out what are the perfect ways to solve this business case challenges. You are requested, you are advised to support one another in finding the best solution, which will help you to understand other departments' functionality, as well as it will also improve your own performance in the business case. This is also important because all departments cannot function independently. You have to have coordination among other departments. For example, if marketing requires fund, they have to ask funds from finance. Finance, to understand the requirement of marketing and other departments' finance requirement, need to coordinate with other departments. This example can go on, right? But we understood that all the departments should work cohesively to find out common business goal, to reach out common business goal. Now we are on business case scenario submission page. Once you log in into your account and you have option to submit your business case solution, then you will see this page. This page has distinct headers like assignment taken, title, case understanding, etc. Each one of these have a specific requirement, have a specific purpose to be here. Let me explain you how this will be used. Let's start with assignment taken, the first heading. Assignment taken should be copy pasted from the business case scenario, as this indicates that you are solving that assignment. Title is your way of defining your solution. So you can title your solution here. Then comes the case understanding. Case understanding should be in your words. It should be individual. Team should not copy paste one another's cases understanding. This is basically to understand how an individual understood the case and what is his or her key findings. Then BCS solution summary. So BCS solution summary is your summarization of your particular solution. This goes for individuals. You should not put a team's solution summary here. It should be your individual solution summary. Then comes the solution. So this is a place where you will put down all the lengthy submission, all the submission you have done, and what is your thought process. Explain it properly. Next one is conclusion. In conclusion, you should mention how you have solved that and what is your conclusive argument for your solution. You have space to upload your PPTs. You have space to explain that PPT down below with the name of attachment description. So for example, you are a finance manager and you have prepared a fundraising proposal. You can simply put that whole Excel workout here, and then you can explain in the details that what is that attachment is all about. Just for example, you can see how your title will appear, how your assignment taken will appear on the final page in front of jury, how your case understanding other titles will appear. Here is one example page from our previous seasons. You can see that Rahul Chaudhary has submitted a financial projection, product mix and expansion target for Velo e-mobility company, which was his virtual company. So his title has been able to clearly make us understand what we can expect next. In his assignment taken, he has very clearly mentioned his solutions details that he will going to tell us about next 5-year plan. In his case understanding, he has very clearly depicted what and how he understood the case. His BCS solution summary also indicates what we can expect from the next solution details. The solution submission page we have showed you earlier is able to handle multimedia content. Not the videos, but yes, your images, your tables, that page can handle. Here is an example of how a graphical representation of data is showing up on a particular submission. If you choose to upload files and your solution in form of presentations, that is also okay, but that should strictly be done in attached file details section. And also explain what your file is all about. So till now we have covered first part of solution submission, which is written submission. I hope you have understood how your submission page will look like, how it will show to jury, how the judges, expert, industry expert, faculty expert will see your solution once it is submitted. Second part of solution submission is video submission. This part requires one of the team member or group of team members present the whole solution, the comprehensive complete solution to the jury members through a video. You can record this video either in group or one individual from team can record this video and submit it. Few important points related to video submission. Whether you are submitting it in group or somebody from team is presenting it for the jury, you should remember that your video submission should not exceed 10 minutes time frame. This is to ensure that you say most important things in front of jury. You should not skip any important data, but you have enough time in 10 minutes to represent each department solution. We request you to visit your submission page and get very familiar with it so that at the time of submission, you should not do any silly mistakes. You can always come back to us on the given details or through our website contact numbers, WhatsApp chat or email IDs anytime. We will be happy to help you. All the very best for your NMO journey. Thank you.